Get this started. Proposed $2,000 monthly stimulus check and cancel rent and mortgage payments for 1 year. So this is proposed. Of course, we know about the CARES Act. It gave everybody $1,200 in stimulus money. It gave businesses paycheck loans and other business loans. So I think some of them are forgivable. Now, this new Emergency Money for the People's Act will pay people 16 years or older, $2,000 a month for up to 12 months. So it can be 4 to 12 months. And this Muslim lady, she keeps reminding me of 9/11. I don't know why. Every time I see her, I think 9/11. Let's get back to it. So if you're 16 or over, you will qualify for $2,000 a month. I don't know why you want to give 16 and 17-year-olds $2,000 a month for up to a year. A lot of 16 and 17-year-olds are irresponsible, and do drugs. So we're going to have a drug pandemic on our hands at the end of the year. Well, whenever this money runs out. Let's continue. So the Emergency Money for the People Act will provide $2,000 monthly for every American 16 over the age of 16 for up to 12 months. So between 4 and 12 months. Also, let's get to the good part. Married couples 4,000. You get an additional 500 for each kid. I believe that's a month. Those who are not eligible in 2020 will not be eligible in 2022 could submit at least 2% of the picture verify. Okay, next. Remember that part. So those who were not eligible in 2019, 2018 will be eligible in 2020. Could submit at least 2 consecutive months of paychecks to verify income. Proposal number 2 is you will get council rent and mortgage payments through the Coronavirus Emergency Fund. So Representative Ilhan Omar is the Muslim black lady. She proposed, and her buddies who put this together proposed, full rent payment forgiveness for your primary residence, full mortgage payment forgiveness for your residence, no accumulation of debt, no negative impact on credit. It will establish a release fund for landlords and will create an optional fund to finance the purchase of private rental properties. So the bill will be retroactive March 13th to 20th and will last 1 year. Also, if you made a payment on rent in April 2020, they will reimburse that. Coverage for the apartment. The bill will allow taxpayers to receive coverage for their primary residence only. So it won't cover second home, vacation homes, and other type of homes. For landlords and mortgage companies, they will set up a fund for you to get the money to recoup your losses. And there's one more thing in this I want to go over. One more thing. Something about setting up a private fund. That is the Forbes website. Go check it out. And me personally, I say no to all of this. I say no because they plan on, in some way, shape, or form, extending lockdown, or they're going to take their time, their sweet a time, to lift this lockdown phase by phase. Personally, I say no.